Why are there not more people talking about the key to natural weight loss? Spoiler alert. It's not just about eating salad. It's all about a holistic approach. Think whole foods, portion control, staying hydrated, and regular physical activity. No magic pills, just sustainable lifestyle changes. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. So grab your water bottle and let's get moving. Are you tired of crash diets that fail? Let's talk whole foods and real results. Losing weight doesn't have to mean giving up everything you love. Imagine this. Instead of trading your chips for carrot sticks, just add an extra serving of veggies to your plate. It's like sneaking good habits into your routine. Next, try swapping white rice for quinoa. It's got more fiber, more protein, and hey, it even sounds fancy. Small changes, big impact. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy diet. Start small, be consistent, and watch those pounds melt away without losing your sanity. Your body will thank you, and so will your taste buds. So ready to make those tiny changes? Let's do this the natural way. One whole food at a time. I'm sure you've heard the news. Eating less can actually be more. Let's dive in. Overeating, even the good stuff, can sneakily add extra calories, which your body loves to hoard as fat. Shocking, right? Here's a pro tip. Swap out those giant dinner plates for smaller ones. Your brain will think you're eating the same amount, but your waistline will know the truth. Oh, and don't forget to slow down, Speedy Gonzalez. Give your brain time to realize you're full. It takes about 20 minutes to catch up. So, chew, chat, and chill before you reach for that second helping. Keep it simple, keep it small, and keep it smart. Because sometimes, less really is more. Happy munching, everyone. Water is essential for our bodies to function properly. Here's a nifty trick. Drink a glass of water before each meal. Not only does it hydrate you, but it fills you up a bit too. So you end up eating less. And who doesn't love eating less without trying? Have a good time. Plus, water has 0 calories. 0! It's like a magic potion for your waistline. Stay hydrated. Stay awesome. Give it a shot and see the difference. Are you tired of the energy dips and spikes? You know, that sugar high followed by a crash? It's time to limit sugars and refined carbs. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes. They provide sustained energy throughout the day. Say goodbye to sugars and refined carbs. Remember, limiting sugars and refined carbs is key to maintaining steady energy levels. Welcome to the world of macronutrients. Meet the Power Trio: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbs give you energy. Proteins build your muscles, and fats, well, they make everything taste amazing. Remember, balance is key. Too much of one, and you'll tip the scale. So, next time you eat, think of the Power Trio. Your body will thank you. Don't cut out food groups. Balance your meals instead. Everybody is looking for the secret to happiness. I've got it right here. And it's 150 minutes a week. Just 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Sounds easy, right? Pick activities you love, like dancing, biking, or even extreme hopscotch. Consistency is key. Stick to it and watch those benefits roll in. Better mood, less stress, and overall health. It's a win-win. So what are you waiting for? Let's get moving. stress, the silent saboteur. It sneaks up on you like a ninja in the night. But fear not, managing stress is easier than pronouncing Worcestershire sauces. Take a deep breath, meditate, or just binge watch cat videos. Remember, you've got this. Stress doesn't stand a chance. Everybody is looking for the magic bullet to stay healthy and fit. But did you know it's right under your pillow? Getting enough quality sleep is like hitting the health jackpot. When you're sleep deprived, your body goes on a hormone roller coaster. You produce more ghrelin, the hormone that makes you want to eat everything in sight, and less leptin, the one that tells your brain you're full. The result? Midnight snack attacks and an ever-expanding waistline. So how do you dodge this hormonal havoc? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye each night. Not only will you feel like $1,000,000, but you'll also be doing wonders for your health and, yes, your waistline. So go ahead, prioritize sleep. Your body will thank you, and so will your energy levels. Remember, sleep isn't just for dreamers, it's your secret weapon for health. Finally, let's talk about patience and consistency. Sustainable weight loss takes time. It's not about quick fixes or losing 10 pounds in a week. It's about making gradual, long-lasting changes that you can maintain for the rest of your life. This is why you need to start your weight loss journey today. Let's dive in. It's not about starving yourself or chasing the latest fad diet. It's about a holistic approach, making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. First things first, find physical activities you enjoy. Love dancing? Hit that Zumba class. Prefer a peaceful walk in the park? That works too. Next up, let's talk food. Think balance, not restrictions. Enjoy your favorite treats in moderation while filling up on fruits, veggies, and whole grains. And remember, staying hydrated is key. Water is your best friend on this journey. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a victory. So there you have it. A holistic approach to losing weight naturally. It's not about depriving yourself or following the latest fad. Your journey starts now. Let's make it a great one. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you help us continue creating content that inspires and informs. Every subscription helps fund the channel, allowing us to bring you more valuable tips and insights. Drop a comment below, let us know what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts here.